So Zach, XRP Ripple for the win. I know it's maybe a little premature, but we got some big stuff, man. I'm gonna let you have the first crack at this.
Yeah, so they're calling it a partial win right now because Ripple finally got their hands on the Hinman docs. Of course, dude, this court case is crazy. It's been going on for 20 months.
Yeah.
20 months. That just goes to show you how long these things you drag on. But there's no bigger lawsuit right now in crypto because the SEC is going after a lot of companies. There's none bigger than this one because this is going to set a precedent. And they just got their hands on, they meaning Ripple, on the Hinman documents from the infamous speech back in 2018. And this is going to go a long way in their eyes to prove that they're not a security and that the SEC really doesn't have enough evidence that showcases XRP, the asset, to be a security. So, yeah, I mean, this is massive. They've been trying to get these documents and emails and such for months.
Yeah.
So,
so if you were to really clarify or quantify, so in this infamous Hinman speech, he basically said what? And he basically said that I'm having a brain.
So I think I remember bits and pieces of it. I'd have to go back but I think the highlights were he was talking about Ethereum and XRP and basically how they were kind of the same and things like that. So basically there was evidence to say that back then they weren't isolating XRP at all. He was talking about, them being safe. And then all of a sudden, XRP is in the doghouse. And it's like, okay, how does that add up to anything that you guys said in the past?
They were basically,
and there was more said behind closed doors, which now they have access to that.
Basically Ethereum and XRP were basically the similar, but meaning from how not similar in what they do, not their utility, but in how they were looking at them, a commodity versus security. And then all of a sudden they did this about face and then the lawsuit and all this. Yeah, et cetera.
Well, Brad Garlinghouse, I mean, he made the point, I think it was like 4 or 5 months ago. And I know we probably covered it. It was something to the point of like, what's the difference essentially? Like, give me one thing, one solid ground to stand on, one piece of evidence here that we're any different than Ethereum. Right. And their point is like, they don't have one. Right. They don't have one. Right. I mean, my stance has always been this, dude. And I know you know where I'm going. It's like, well, Ethereum's not challenging the traditional archaic banking system. XRP is.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah. The governments and the financial institutions are not afraid of Ethereum.
No.
Period.
They're not a threat. Point blank, period. Yeah. 100%. XRP and stable coins are, though.
Oh, yeah. 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 So there you go. So XRP Ripple for the win, partial win. Hinman documents have been made available to them. The SEC obviously has been fighting this for a while now. And so the court has gone in favor of XRP and allowing the XRP Ripple team to now, have the access to these docs, et cetera. So there you go.
Yeah. And by the way, just as we close this out, Brad Garlinghouse made a comment about a month ago now, maybe a few weeks ago. All these days run together, man. You know how it is. But he made a statement basically that the lawsuit will be over one way or another by middle of next year. Yeah. But in getting these documents, some people are now saying it could be by the end of the year. We can have an answer. And what that could mean for crypto?
Well, you said it yourself, Zach. We all know that 2023 is going to be the year of regulation in one way or the other for crypto. And regulation at the end of the day is a good thing for crypto. It will open up the floodgates to traditional mainstream trillions of dollars that will come into crypto in one way or the other. But it is.
Bitcoin doesn't think so.
Oh, I know. Well, that's
did you watch that yesterday?
Yeah, I did watch that yesterday. So, but the point of it is that regardless how it goes down, is that this is all about how the SEC, the Commodities Future Trading Commission, how we classify crypto. And this, to your point, this is the precedent case.
Agreed.
It is.
Agreed. 100%. So, yeah. There's no bigger project than XRP being investigated right now.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
All right. So there you go. So if you're interested in Clear, definitely check out links in the description below. Clear has launched. There's links below to the website, everything. Get involved, check them out, run it through your own due diligence. Clear is an amazing, amazing project. Both Zach and I support it on our own respective channels, but also here by making content for the Clear channel. A bunch of other great content creators. Check them out. Links in the description below. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you.